My name's Izzy Ross. That's short for Israel Ross. I skate, do a bunch of things. So at first I was scootering. So at first I started scootering at this park with a Razor scooter, and then I started watching all these scootering videos. So I got a pro scooter, I guess. And then I went to my cousin's house one time and he was skating. He ended up giving me one of his boards, and that's how it all started. To do stuff in the pool, it's really hard, but for me, all I could really do in this is just go really fast. I've been trying to grind the coping a little bit, but so far I can't really do that yet, but I tried. The coolest thing I did was I did a slash grind on it. I did a little slash grind, and can't get it every time, but I'm working on getting it down every time. Ross, and I love skateboarding, and I think that you should do it too.